Let's make some pickled red onions. Kailangan natin ng 1/2 kilo of red onions. Balatan ito and then slice. Now for the brine, kailangan natin ng 1 cup of red cane vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of whole peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 cloves of garlic, and then mix it together, turn on the fire. Once it simmers, mag-add kayo ng 2 bay leaves, and then kapag kumulo na, transfer nyo na kaagad sa inyong container. I-set aside muna natin to for at least 3 hours or mas maganda nga overnight. This is one of the best ways para ma-preserve nyo ang inyong mga onions, and at the same time, masarap rin tong kapartner or on the side kapag ang ulam ninyo ay mga prito, and perfect din to ihalo sa mga salads or even burgers katulad nito. So what are you waiting for? Sana ay matry nyo rin ito mga ka-kitchen. See you next time!